Earth, the only planet we call home. It's been around for over 4.5 billion years, and yet there's so much we don't know about it. From mysterious forces deep inside its core to the breathtaking wonders on its surface, Earth is full of surprises. Today we'll uncover some of the most fascinating, mind-blowing facts about our planet. Ready to be amazed? Let's dive in. Let's start with a shocker. Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It's actually an oblate spheroid, meaning it's slightly squished at the poles and bulges at the equator. Why? It's all because of centrifugal force caused by Earth's rotation. So technically, if you stood at the equator, you'd be farther from Earth's core than if you were at the North Pole. Did you know you're moving faster than a race car right now? Earth spins at an average speed of 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. But that's not all. Earth is also zooming around the sun at a staggering 67,000 miles per hour. That means we're traveling through space faster than a bullet, and we don't even feel it. Mind blown yet? Let's keep going. Deep beneath your feet lies Earth's core, a blazing hot ball of molten metal. Scientists estimate that the core's temperature reaches up to 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than the surface of the sun. This heat powers everything from volcanic eruptions to the movement of tectonic plates. Without it, Earth's surface would be a very different place. Think we've explored all of Earth? Think again. Over 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water, and more than 80% of the oceans remain unexplored. That's millions of square miles of uncharted territory, and who knows what's hiding down there. And it's not just the oceans. There are vast, untouched forests, caves, and underground networks still waiting to be discovered. It's like Earth has its own secret world. Earth's atmosphere isn't just for breathing, it's also a protective shield. Every day, thousands of meteoroids enter Earth's atmosphere, but most burn up before they can hit the ground. This is thanks to the friction caused by the air. And that's not all. The atmosphere also protects us from harmful solar radiation, and it's responsible for the stunning auroras we see near the poles. If Earth had a twin, it would be Venus. Venus is almost the same size as Earth and has a similar composition. But don't get too excited. Venus is a scorching, hot, toxic wasteland with temperatures reaching 900 degrees Fahrenheit and clouds made of sulfuric acid. Venus reminds us just how lucky we are to have a planet with the perfect conditions for life. Speaking of life, Earth isn't just a rock in space. It's a living, breathing world. It's the only known planet that supports life, from microscopic bacteria to the massive blue whale. And guess what? Scientists estimate there are over 8.7 million species on Earth, but 86% of them haven't even been discovered yet. Life on Earth is so diverse and resilient, it's found in the harshest conditions, from frozen tundras to boiling hot springs. Here's a fascinating twist. Earth's magnetic field acts like an invisible force field, shielding us from harmful solar winds. Without it, these charged particles from the sun could strip away our atmosphere, leaving our planet as barren as Mars. The magnetic field is generated by the molten iron and nickel in Earth's outer core, spinning like a giant dynamo. And did you know that Earth's gravity isn't uniform? It varies slightly depending on where you are. This is because the planet's mass isn't evenly distributed. There are dense rock formations, ocean trenches, and even changes due to the moon's gravitational pull. So technically you'd weigh just a tiny bit less in certain spots on Earth. And did you know that Earth's gravity isn't uniform? It varies slightly depending on where you are. This is because the planet's mass isn't evenly distributed. There are dense rock formations, ocean trenches, and even changes due to the moon's gravitational pull. So technically you'd weigh just a tiny bit less in certain spots on Earth. Earth isn't static. It's constantly changing. Mountains rise, continents drift, and islands form. Did you know the Himalayas are still growing taller? Or that Hawaii is getting new land thanks to volcanic eruptions? And while some changes, like erosion, happen over millions of years, others, like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, can reshape the land in an instant. Earth's past is written in its rocks. Layers of sediment, volcanic activity, and fossilized remains tell the story of our planet's history, from mass extinctions to ancient climates. Geologists study these clues to understand how Earth has evolved and what its future might hold. Finally, Earth is more than just our home. It's a living, evolving planet full of mysteries and wonders. From its fiery core to its protective atmosphere, it's a planet like no other. The more we learn about Earth, the more we realize just how incredible it truly is. If you enjoyed exploring these mind-blowing facts about Earth, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content about our planet and beyond. Let's keep the wonder alive, together.